Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Hello, everybody. I'm glad to see you today. Let's start off with doing our GCDS cheer. Give me a G. Give me a C. Give me a D. Give me an S. GCDS rocks. Woo! Great job. I'm going to show you how to make a chef's hat today. What you need are 2 pieces of paper, and you need to staple them together. Then we're going to make an accordion fold. Your parents can help you with this. You just go back, forth, back, and forth till you get to the very end. And then when you get to the end, you're going to fold it from the top, about 1.5 inches. Flatten it out, staple it together, and you've got a chef's hat. Now that we have a chef's hat, let's make something. I'm going to show you how to make some very quick and easy ice cream out of quarantine milk. If you get the lunches, you're going to get these little milks, and this is something you can do with one of them. So the first thing you need to do is pour this in. This is a pint or half pint. So if you don't have these little boxes, you can just measure out your own. And then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And about a teaspoon or a splash of vanilla. And then we can take our spoon and stir it around until you don't hear the crystals crunching. So it's going to take a minute or 2 to do that. When you get it all the crystals stop crunching, put your lid on and put it in the freezer. Then about every half hour, you can pull it out and you stir it around. Now, the reason that you stir it around every half hour is to make the crystals smaller. The smaller the crystals, the creamier it's gonna be. So every time you pull it out, stir it around and break up those crystals to make them smaller. And then after a couple of hours of doing that, you'll have some good ice cream. This kind of tastes like snow ice cream if you've ever had that in the north. I have it from my hometown in Illinois. It snows and we go outside and we get a big bucket full of snow and we put the milk and the vanilla in it, stir it around, and the sugar, and it's super yummy, as is this. Sweet and delicious and icy. Yummy. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Dun 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 dun. Woo!